Hello everyone and welcome back to Chronicles. In today's tutorial we're going to explore yes command in Linux. At first glance this command looks extremely simple, but it can be surprisingly useful in automation, scripting, testing and system administration tasks. So what is the yes command? The yes command repeatedly outputs string until it is stopped by Ctrl+C. If no string is specified, it continuously prints y later. So the command continues forever until you stop it by executing Ctrl+C. Instead, operating Y letter, you can specify your own text. For example, yes and Linux. And you see output Ctrl+C, clear the screen. So why is yes useful? The primary purpose of yes command is automation. Many Linux commands ask for confirmation before performing action. Okay, let's first create our test files, test from 1 to 100.txt, enter. And we see our test file was created. Now we want to delete all files with txt extension. You can execute rm-i test and asterisk wildcard. And you should confirm every file deletion. The yes command can automatically answer to those prompts. How we can do that? We can do that by this way. Yes type rm-i and test asterisk, enter. And we see all file was deleted, ls no any files with txt extension and starting with test. So what happens here? Yes continuously outputs y. The pipe sends those response to rm. Every confirmation is automatically answered. This can save significant time when dealing with many files. And the pipe operator takes output from one command and sends it as input to another. In a simple way, yes, pipe hit. The hit command stops after 10 lines. One very practical use of yes is generating test files. Let's create a file containing 100 lines. Yes, hello, Linux, pipe hit -n 100 and redirect to test file.txt. Cut test file.txt for is typo. And 100 lines are created instantly. Suppose you need large datasets. So, for example, create 10,000 lines. You can do that by yes. For example, simple log entry hit -n 10,000 to log file.txt. Cut log file. Clear the screen. How we can check size? We can check by ls-lh log file. Some package managers ask for confirmation. You can execute, for example, yes sudo apt install and some package name. This automatically confirms prompts. However, be careful when using automation with production system. To view all available options for yes, you can execute yes --help. To check the installed version, you can execute yes --version. Enter. And you see the version 9.4. Let's clear the screen. How you can generate CSV data with yes? For example, yes John Doe 25 hit -n 1000 users.csv. Cut CSV. Because yes generates output endlessly, it can consume CPU resources, disk space, system memory. By executing this command, yes huge file.txt, This will continue writing forever until disk becomes full. Always use caution. Don't execute this command. That's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, comment and share. Thank you.